Come down, please, Mr. McDonald.
This 701.
Family violence, McDonald.
Middle.
Good morning. Hello.
Morning, Judge.
Morning. So this is, are we doing a plea? What are we doing here?
At the prior setting, there was an offer made and we learned that there was a sexual assault case that had popped up.
Mhm.
At this moment, it's our understanding that we're only looking realistically at this sex violation case. The offer is standalone. It won't touch any new case. I discussed this with Seth, with Mr. McDonald. He's asking for some time. I know that Monica Guerrero is in federal court today. She's not able to talk to him today.
Okay.
Sometime in August, if we can come back on the 27th, 20th, 13th, just some date, Tuesday in August.
All right, let me ask this. What is up with this case that's supposedly out in the universe?
It's a sealed at-large case, Your Honor, so we
What-
don't really know anything about it ourselves.
All right, so when is that going to be taken care of?
I can't tell you, Judge, I'm not sure.
We had asked to see if there's something we could do to prevent that being filed, and it's too premature for that to happen.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this on August 13th.
Yes.
All right, we're going to come back on August 13th. All right, thank you.
And Your Honor, regarding, not with sex case, but there's another off docket, there's a bond issue case, somebody from the jury box, Davy Durkin.
All right, just give me a moment.
I checked if I could approach.
All right, just give me one moment. All right, Ms. Ferguson, what plate? I found him.
Yes. That's, in order to sign this.
All right, and state on McDonald, that's going to be the final date for discovery. Eric Kelly.
Alberta Canton.
All right, what is happening with this case?
Your Honor, we've been in a holding pattern
Inmates,
waiting,
no talking in the box.
waiting for an
you.
indictment on an aggravated offense. We checked a few minutes ago, it still is unindicted.
All right, what is the alleged aggravated case?
It's I don't represent him on it. I think it's an aggravated robbery.
Yes, it is. And I'm assuming this is criminal trial division?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to get out of the holding pattern. This is going to be the last reset that I'm giving everybody for discovery. This is it. After that, state the date I'm going to give you. I'll need an offer tendered, and then we're going to move forward to trial if that's where this leads.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
I need a 1 month reset on Mr. Kelly.
August 27th.
All right, we're going to be back on August 27th. State will make you an offer and discovery on that case that is unindicted. He'll still need discovery in order to handle these cases. All right. Thank you for addressing appropriately to court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you.
Norma, I see him on page 4, but he's on more than one page, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it. Who is here on Stephen Carmona? Thank you for your patience, counsel. All right, and where's Mr. Carmona? Okay. Hello.
Morning.
Motion.
I need. Mr. Hampton, I need to know.
All right, who is the prosecutor on Stephen Carmona? Actually, it's family violence.
If I understand correctly, yes.
All right, if you all will come up, because this is in regards to GPS, he wants to change it.
We haven't conferred at all today, Your Honor, so we're happy to confer with counsel and then.
All right, Mr. Cisneros, if you'll talk to them about the GPS and time when you're ready, just come back up.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Darius Murphy. Just have a seat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you're the attorney? Come on down, Mr. Murphy.
Even before the first question, the jury is scanning every twitch, every shuffle. Trials begin before anyone speaks. The defense counsel's smile isn't friendliness, it's a shield, a mask for nerves, or maybe confidence. One raised eyebrow from the judge can silence a whole courtroom faster than a gavel.
All right, this is to set a bond and he's scheduled for PTD.
Yes, Judge. We have updates as to both. He did execute the PTD agreements and we did send that into the DA's office today.
Okay,
So that part is covered, Judge. And then I did confer with the DA's office. They're in agreement with the potential bond being set at 1,000. Being so low because restitution is owed on the PTD case, Judge. So we want him to try to make those payments as soon as possible for that.
all right, court is calling 2023 CR 11123, State of Texas versus Darius Murphy. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state
Andrew Harris, Edelman.
defense?
Renee Munoz.
And are you Mr. Murphy?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're here. Your attorney has requested a bond be set. Defense, is my understanding you have an agreement with the bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the proposed agreement?
We're asking that the bond be set at $1,000, Your Honor. He has virtually no criminal history for this offense, and he has been approved for pretrial diversion, Judge.
All right, state, are you in agreement with 1,000?
Apparently we are, you know.
According to
Okay.
Daniel and Garrett, yes.
All right, and since he is being approved for PTD, and that's been an agreement, there are certain connotations that come with that, namely that he doesn't have a violent criminal history. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Darius Murphy.
All right, would you have a place to live if you were released?
Yes, ma'am.
Who would you be living with?
I have an apartment out here.
All right. Do you have any family members here?
No, they live in Houston.
Okay. And do you have employment?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, what do you do?
I'm a salesman.
Okay. And has there been any drug history?
Any what?
Drug history with you?
No, ma'am.
All right. Any alcohol, marijuana, anything of that nature?
Occasionally,
All right, you're not allowed to smoke marijuana while you're on bond, you understand?
yes,
And
ma'am.
you're not allowed to smoke marijuana since you're trying to obtain pretrial diversion. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And the next question is, any mental health conditions
No, ma'am.
ever been diagnosed?
No, ma'am.
All right, the court is going to set your bond at $1,000. You are already set to be back in court on August 8th. Ms. Ferguson, if you'll make sure he has a reset form for August 8th, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor. We appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Judge.
Thank you.
Once at 1,000.
Yes, thank you.
You said August 8th, Judge. correct?
Yes. Which page is he on?
He's on page 12.
All right, thank you. And it's PTD, Norma.
Yes, ma'am.
Going.
Tyler Ashbaugh. And attorneys, please remember to introduce yourself to the court reporter. Hello, Nathan. Long time no see.
I know, it's been a while, Judge.
How are things going with family life?
Good.
Oh, that's good.
The kid is sleeping a lot better.
All
That always-
right.
That always helps.
All right, last time we were here, there's something about inspecting and downloading data from a vehicle. Where are we on that?
Yes, Judge. So I'm going to be requesting one final discovery compliance date. And just to give you a little bit of background behind that, I have inspected the physical evidence. We had an appointment with the detective. We went over all that. We have not been able to do the extraction on the vehicle. We were set one time. The detective at the last minute had a subpoena for a murder, so he was unable to make it. And then we were rescheduled. However, in order to be able to do the extraction, the vehicle at least has to be not completely on, but powered on to the battery, or else
Okay.
we're unable to extract it. I assume that the state had a key in their possession based on some other evidence. when the detective was getting a statement from the defendant, it appeared that the detective had in his possession the key to the Nissan Rogue that's the subject of this case, Judge.
Take care of it.
And so, however, they stated they did not have the key. When I went to go inspect the evidence, I did not see the key. However, the defendant's father, it appears, recently found out that he has a spare set to that. So I would still like another discovery compliance date so that we can set up a date just to do this extraction, Judge. And
How long are you asking for?
probably till the end of August at least, Judge, because our expert is not going to be available until August 9th. He's out of town. Also, Judge, just the index alone on this
All right,
discovery.
Ms. Ferguson, set this for discovery, August 29th. Is that enough time?
I think that should be plenty of time, Judge, and let me just confirm that I'm on that date. Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, what page is he on?
He's on page 3, Judge.
All right, you're going to come back on August 29th. This will be the last date for discovery, and state if you'll be prepared with an acknowledgement of discovery on that date.
Yes, sure.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And I'm sorry, Ms. Ferguson, what page?
Page 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Mr. Ashford, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. You may be excused. And Norma, that's final discovery.
Yes.
Darrell Payne. All right. And where's his brother?
He's standing right here, Mr. Donovan, Judge.
All right, if you come forward. All right, if you can just remain there, Mr. Payne, if it's hard for you.
Judge. Yeah, he's already been sent.
Hello, I remember you, and thank you for being an advocate for your brother. People who have mental health issues and people who have medical issues, they really need that. So, I want to coordinate so that he can be picked up from the jail and not just be sitting there. And they will release them sometime at midnight. So this is what's going on with him. I'm trying to get everything in place for him that he needs. One of the things that he needs, of course, is there's some mental health that's going on. There may be some drug issues that are going on. So he's being referred to felony drug court. Felony drug court is going to see him this week. Attorney Munoz will coordinate with you so that felony drug court, the people there will have your contact information so that they can coordinate releases. I don't want him to end up leaving the jail and being homeless, because then we're going to be right back here. So that's why I have felony drug court sort of in place. So they're going to speak with him this week. Mr. Munoz will coordinate with them. And when they're ready for him to be released, they're going to let Mr. Munoz know, and then he'll be released, and Mr. Munoz can coordinate with you so he won't be just at the jail and then maybe picking up a new case, which we don't want to see happen. So wanted you to be sure what was going on. All right. So is there anything else that would be needed, counsel?
I don't believe so. I think the court did an amazing job in helping coordinate this all, and we appreciate the court's time. We did notify that he can live with the brother and help with the Center for Public Services appointments, Judge. He did provide information that he can pick up his brother during the week after 4 p.m. because he has work obligations before then, and he did provide me with his number. I don't know if there's a way I can give this to the court so that there's a note made that
Well, I tell you what, the way to handle that sometimes when they have, like when we have people being picked up by Lifetime Recovery, if you, because we don't have B pages or D pages that we can print off anymore, if you will bring me a motion for the time, again, coordinate with drug court. And if you'll let drug court know that he will have a place to stay, because drug court will put their own rules in place, and they may be assuming that he doesn't have a place to stay
Yes, Judge.
or somebody to watch out for him. If you will let them know, because who knows, they may have a better placement for him. And then if you will prepare a motion, if they don't have a placement for him,
Okay.
what's the best time for him to pick his brother up?
Okay. And then just in that motion, just state the specifics after 4 PM during the weekday. And he
Mhm.
can be reached at a numbers.
And he can be released too, and put his name in there.
Yes, Judge.
So they'll know to expect him.
Definitely, Judge. I can do that.
All right, but make sure that you coordinate with felony drug courts, because I don't want him released until they've done the assessment.
Yes, Judge. I reached out to Ms. Zamorano yesterday, so I do have her contact info, so I can readily relay that information.
All right, and, all right, thank you.
I mentioned something.
Yes,
I had mentioned to Mr. Munoz how much I appreciated him, but there's just a concern about my brother is very, very respectful to me.
Mhm.
However, I lose a little control when he doesn't come home because he loves to be downtown. He believes he's a tourist and I do too, but if he just comes home, I could assist him with taking his medication. And I'm even willing to take him to his Center for Healthcare Service appointments.
all right, so what we're gonna do is I'll put certain orders in place with him so that we can make sure that happens.
Appreciate it.
All right, so Mr. Payne,
Right.
your brother is telling me it's fine for you to go downtown, but you'll need to be home at. Okay, all right, so we're gonna make arrangements for that because I want you to be successful on this probation, okay? All right, okay. All right, so we'll make sure we coordinate things. And in this court, let me just tell you, to be successful, communication is key.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can always contact his probation officer if things are not going well.
Okay.
Mr. Munoz will tell you can always come back to court.
Of course.
And you have anything for me? All right.
All right, Judge. Thank you so much. You may be excused.
Yes, you may be excused. All right, thank you.
Try and answer one.